Hi guys, my name is Anton Voronjuk. Today, in our Chatbot Strategy course, the SunPulse Academy and I will share some valuable insights with you. I'm the head of the Internet Marketing Academy Web Promo Experts and the co-owner of the Internet Marketing agency Web Promo. I've been in digital marketing for over 15 years. This course will not be based on theory or conjecture, but rather on practical experience I've gained working in the field. We've developed numerous successful digital marketing campaigns and have helped over 1,000 small and mid-sized businesses. We also work with large brands such as Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, BNP Paribas, Bayer, Sanofi, Vodafone, the United Nations, and the OSCE. I have trained more than 250,000 students. All our courses are practical, help students further their career, open new doors, and receive a lot of positive reviews. Today, we will figure out how to use chatbots to drive conversions and reduce customer churn. Chatbots are one of the most effective tools for repeat customer communication. They solve many tasks, such as receiving feedback, repeating sales, building loyalty, and delivering content to the consumer. In our chatbot course, we will be teaching you about the capabilities of chatbot services and how you can use them to reach your audience and get a higher retention rate. Together, we'll build a complete communication funnel that will cover everything from initial content to closing a sale. You will understand what messenger marketing is, what kind of business needs chatbot the most, and what benefit they would get by implementing chatbots in their communication strategy. In this course, you will launch a chatbot yourself from scratch with no coding skills, with the help of an easy-to-use chatbot builder called SunPulse. The first rule of outreach is knowing how to take advantage of automation to communicate with a large audience. That's why we've partnered with SunPulse, who has unmatched expertise in email marketing and messenger marketing. SunPulse is a useful multi-channel platform that offers marketing tools to empower your business. They provide digital marketing solutions that can help accelerate such and grow your business. SunPulse helps you with email marketing and chatbots for WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, and Facebook. You can easily use their automation tools to improve workflows and increase customer business. As an added bonus, I'll give you 3 additional materials that will be really helpful both for this course and when you'll start launching messenger campaigns. The first one is my book, Cutting Edge Digital Marketing. Usually this book would cost you 11 euros on Amazon, but it comes free with the course. This ebook goes over the essential digital marketing skills you'll need to start your chatbot campaign. You'll find a lot of powerful insights on competitor analysis, web analytics, target audience, portrait creation, etc. The second additional material is the 15 ready-made chatbot scripts for different businesses. This mini manual of 45 useful slides will present 15 scenarios that will help you organize your chatbot communication strategy. You will see different scripts and step-by-step guide on how to realize them with SunPulse Builder. The third material is a guidebook called How to Set Up Target Ads via Meta Platforms to Run Chatbots on Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram Direct. It's an easy-to-understand handbook that can help you tremendously throughout the course. So let's start. Messenger marketing is the practice of using mobile chat apps to facilitate business and connect with prospects and customers. It leverages mobile messaging platforms such as Facebook, Telegram, WhatsApp, or WeChat to reach a target market. Words cannot describe how important a good message sequence is. Messenger marketing provides a quick and easy way for businesses to reach millions of people from anywhere in the world. There are many ways companies connect with their audiences, including text, video, audio, images, and chatbots. If a company markets well enough to where the customer wants to buy their product, it can be a great strategy to boost sales and improve relationship with the customer base. So why should businesses use messenger marketing? For 47% of businesses, lead generation is the biggest challenge. Reaching prospects and boosting brand awareness through most marketing channels is difficult and expensive. Currently, there are more active users on messaging apps than social media apps. That's why businesses are using messenger marketing to connect with prospects, boost lead generation, and increase conversions. It's now the go-to way for markets to reach and engage with customers at lower costs. Take a look at some of these marketing stats. In 2020, there are more than 3 billion people phone messaging app users with constant growth. The most popular messaging app is WhatsApp, with an astounding 2 billion monthly users. WeChat has more than 1 billion users. Facebook Messenger has slightly less than a billion. QQ, Snapchat, and Telegram have 550 million monthly active users. Users spend more than 18 hours monthly on WhatsApp and 3 hours on Facebook Messenger and Telegram. Astonishing facts about the second most popular messenger, Facebook Messenger. Approximately 18% of adults use messaging apps to ask for customer support from online sellers, while 43% of millennials use these apps to research products. Facebook Messenger users send 8 billion messages every day. In 2018, there were 300,000 monthly active bots. CTR and open rates for Facebook Messenger are astonishing, with the immense volume of messages going to business every day. Chatbots are one of the most efficient tools to improve CRO and solve customer problems. In February 2022, Meta reported that 1 billion users can be reached with ads on Facebook Messenger. The growth of Messenger popularity brought changes to how users prefer to communicate with businesses. According to recent research, 70% of US customers are more likely to buy from a company that offers convenient communication channels. 63% of respondents will switch to a company that offered text messaging as a communication channel. 69% of respondents will prefer an unfamiliar company to contact them via text rather than a phone call. Are you not convinced? Here are some more figures. 1.4 billion people use chatbots on a rather regular basis. Chatbots can answer 80% of standard questions. 64% of internet users say 24-hour service is the best feature of chatbots. Chatbots can cut operational costs by up to 30%. More than 80% of small businesses in India and Brazil say WhatsApp helped them improve customer service and grow businesses. What is the future prognosis for chatbots? Bank system will automate up to 90% of customer interactions by using chatbots by the end of 2022. Companies will save 2.5 billion customer services hours using chatbots by the end of this year. So what benefits does messenger marketing give to business? It helps build brand awareness. By using the right direct communication channels, a brand can learn more about how their products and services are being received within the market. Messenger marketing allows businesses to constantly keep in touch with their prospects, making them top of mind when a potential customer is in need of their product. It helps to generate leads. A big benefit of messenger marketing is inexpensive leads. Lead generation is the biggest challenge for most marketers. The high cost of the marketing channel make messenger marketing an effective tool. Messenger marketing increase lead conversion. It helps businesses discover and refine target audience, then segment them based on selected criteria. By concentrating on target groups, you nurture leads into become your paying customers. With messenger marketing, you can provide customer support around the clock. Messenger bots offer a self-service tool to provide customers with needed information. You can offer real-time one-to-one conversations and respond to their inquiries. Messenger marketing can improve retention and build loyalty through great content, targeted offers, special deals, and loyalty programs. This gives you direct communication with your subscribers so you can improve your offer and turn your loyal customers into advocates. As we mentioned previously, messenger marketing can be implemented in different ways. It can be text, messages, video, audio, images, and chatbots. So what is chatbot? Chatbot or bot is a computer program that simulates a natural human conversation. Users communicate with a chatbot via the chat interface or by voice. Chatbots interpret and process user words or phrases and give an instant preset answer. Today, chatbots are smarter and more useful than ever before, thanks to massive advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and natural language processing. Chatbots are changing the way we communicate, do business, and interact with each other in digital society. Chatbots are massively used in marketing. Chatbot marketing is a strategy to promote your products or services with the use of a chatbot. There are a lot of benefits business can get by using chatbots in their messenger marketing strategy. Chatbots help save time and money. You invest time and money only once to create and launch a chatbot. In return, you'll get a tool that will be available around the clock to engage with your customers with real-time responses. And by using an easy-to-use chatbot builder like SendPulse, you'll save thousands of dollars. Chatbots help segment your traffic. Depending on the type of questions a subscriber asks, chatbots determine where they are in the customer journey and segment those users accordingly. For example, if a user asks questions about pricing, the chatbot will recognize them as a warm lead and suggest they place an order within the chat. Chatbots can provide real-time responses to your customers that will build positive customer experience, trust, and repeat purchases. You can integrate your payment gateway into chatbot to help your customers complete orders without leaving your chatbot. It will speed up the ordering and payment process. Chatbots do increase engagement with your audience. You can use them many messaging apps from Facebook Messenger to WeChat to WhatsApp and more. Chatbots provide data for analytics. The data collected by your chatbot provides insights into your customer needs and preferences. You can use this data to alter your chatbot marketing strategy to increase sales and engagement for your brand. Chatbot is a great tool to nurture your leads, moving your prospects down the sales funnel to make them customers. For example, a company that sells watches can show different models, colors, features to warm leads and help them make a purchasing decision. Also, chatbots can increase your open rate. Email marketing has an open rate from 10% to 25%. Chatbots with astonishing 70 to 90% look like a clear winner. And lastly, chatbot fit any business. Whether you are a small company or a large enterprise, this marketing tool can serve your various marketing goals. Chatbots provide convenient content delivery with a higher open and click rate compared to other traditional methods. Allowing a brand to send relevant notifications and reminders about upcoming events is an excellent strategy to engage leads. Chatbots can help you, sales and technical support department to answer users' questions, collect orders, inform subscribers about your special offer, sales, new collections, send a discount coupon, promo code, file with useful information in exchange for context, sign the client up for different services like legal aid, haircuts, maintenance, photo shoots, registering for their online events, find out the request and preferences of the person to offer the appropriate product, collect feedback. You can see the theory of chatbot benefits for companies and customers. Okay, let's pause for a second. If you are confident this is a 5-star course, please give us 5 stars. If you don't think we have a 5-star course, please message me about how I can make my course better. You can write a personal message to me or express your concerns in the Q&A section.